Pixly Dark 3D Icon Pack is a visually stunning Android application designed to enhance the user interface of devices with a collection of beautifully crafted dark-themed 3D icons. Targeting users who prefer a modern, sleek, and sophisticated look, this icon pack offers a unique aesthetic that transforms the home screen and app drawer into an immersive visual experience. The icons are designed with depth and detail, featuring a combination of dark tones and textures that create a striking contrast against light backgrounds. This allows users to achieve a stylish and contemporary look for their devices. In addition to its impressive icon collection, Pixly Dark 3D Icon Pack typically offers features such as regular updates, compatibility with various launchers, and easy customization options, allowing users to tailor their experience. Overall, this app is perfect for those seeking to elevate their device's appearance while enjoying a cohesive and attractive design.